shows that she loved them. That would give good insight into the of choosing the gilded conveyance that strengthens us. Happy to be free, except they were feral.
What a wonderful place to camp. This is the wind farm, and it produces enough power for the whole of Blaney. It's much drier now than it was in August. A lot less windy as well. But I read these turbines are designed so that they only go a certain speed and the blades turn around into the appropriate wind direction for that speed. It's the blue of the dam. Can you hear it now? There's drinking water and there's showers. On the weekends you're going to be, sharing it with a lot of people. Anyway, come on, Shadow. Come on, keep up. I'm going to try and walk all the way along the edge of the dam now, back to about where I was. All the tracks here are big four-wheel drive tracks. It's beautiful. Hey, look at that. Sign of man. There's a one. I like this dry grass actually. I've lived for the past 15 years with nothing but rain. There's a couple of canoes over there. I wonder what sort of fish are in here. Look at that. This leads to the dam wall. I just heard this morning that the dam is at 28%. That'll tell you how dry it is in this area. Pretty bad. Hello. Hello, little dog. Okay, so this is Peter and this is Jack, and Jack's second name Russell, and Peter's and I've been chatting and he's been fishing, and the cormorants took them all earlier from over there and he's over here.
Here you go, Jack. How's that, eh?
And we've had a nice chat. Got a close up on Jack. Oh, he's a good boy.
4 months and I love it.
Yeah, and this is your whole house in here? Oh my gosh, look at that. And what's this area again, Joanne?
Lounge room / kitchen.
Open fire.
Yeah.
And look, you've got vegetables growing as well.
Lettuce.
Good looking pots, they look like they've been well used. And you've got this fantastic view over here. Oh wow.
Lovely.
Oh Joanne, thank you very much for... It's windy and it seems to be everybody's washing day.